equals 0. Okay, solve for the unknown variables. Okay, starting with Z. Solve mo muna. Solve mo na. Solve yung X, Y, Z na yun. Ang Z natin is equal to 0, diba? So yun din naman. So since our Z is equal to 0, no, use that value of Z to find the Y. Okay, ano? X value? 5/6 there. Oh, very good. Okay na. So that's how you get to perform this Gaussian elimination. Okay? Tingnan, Gaussian lang yan. Hindi naman
Shortcut.
Sino kumpanya?
Since ang sinabi nag-iisip kasi today 0/3 ng substitution.
Sino sa saan? Pero may gawa ka na saan? Eh, nahirap diba sa mathematics? Hindi, napag-aral yan. Hindi po nakapag-video sa SolidWorks. Parang practice. Sabi, dire-diretso ko yung video pagkatapos ng mathematics. Cut na lang, saka papas forward. Si Mac, tapos na eh. 14 minutes na lang.
14?
So, pwede naman.
Time lapse?
Ah, yeah. Oo nga, kasi nagsaan pa na file Kaingit. Parang yung ginagawa mo, parang sobrang hirap. Tapos pagka itatanong mo yung ginawa ng iba, hindi pala.
Yung pagpapanoodin mo na, di ba?
Oo.
Parang galing.
Check nyo na yung example ko.
Sabi pa nga ako kahapon, hindi din ako nakapagtanong. So, yung
So, again, what we
Sabi
do
ako sa
here
issue.
is say, Gaussian
Gaussian
integration.
integration.
Gaussian integration.
No.
Correct.
Correction tape.
Ayun, correction typing. Mayroon mo matrix eh.
So,
Wala,
sa Gaussian
ulitin.
integration, ang wala na ginawa is class substitution.
Asinit pala.
Right? Parang ginawa class substitution. However, in this Gauss-Jordan elimination, instead of doing the back substitution, we need to convert our matrix here
To one.
to
One.
row echelon form, reduce row echelon form. Okay, so instead of doing this back substitution, gagawin naman natin siyang reduce row echelon form. Okay? To do that, same example same example. And from this, okay, pagpalit ng 3, 2, negative 1, 0, ayan, 10, 0, 4, 1, negative 0, 0, 3, 0. Okay. Take note class, using this Gauss Jordan elimination, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-ganito pa back substitution. Makukuha lang ganyan exactong value ng x, y, and z. So let's continue. So in this reduced row echelon form, we need to make our pivot element equal to 1. That's the first thing to do here. So our following pivot will be this one, the diagonal. Starting with, okay, it's up to you. So ano gusto nyo unahin dito? So, which one? Which one you want to make the pivot equal to 1? 1, 2, or 3?
Upper line.
Ano ba na 3?
Upper line.
Sige, ito, upper ko na. Sige, row 1. So, what will be the notation? Row 1 will be, yes. So, our row 1 will be multiplied by 1/3. That's good. So, we have, so we're going to multiply row 1. So, we have 1/3 times 3, 1. 1/3 times 2, 2/3. Ano pa yun po ganun? Negative 1/3 times negative 1, we have negative 1/3. And 1/3 times 10, 10 over. Napansin niyo ba na dito ay nagiging fraction? Kaya hindi ko ina-advise doing this pivot is making your pivot equal to 1. Hindi ko siya ina-advise sa umpisa pa lang. Kasi magiging fraction na yung then it's magiging fraction. Mas na dito. Okay? I'm not advising mo class na gawin yung pivot. Gawin yung equal to yung mga pivot dito ha. So, sa unless kaya siya i-solve. Okay? Walang problema. Again, dito siya ina-advise. Dito lang siya ginagawa. If you're going to perform this Gauss Jordan, you're making all the pivots equal to 1. So we're done here now. So simply copy the remaining values. So we have 0, 0, negative 4, 0, 1, 3, negative 15, and 0. Next, which row? 2. So let's proceed to row 2. And then, what will we do? Ano rin sa row 2? We should make this equal to 1. Equal to 1.
Negative 1 equal to 1.
Multiply it by negative 1, 4. Our 2. So we have 0 is 0, okay? X. 1 times negative 1/4 is simply negative 1/4, okay? And then negative 15 times negative 1/4 will be, that will be,
Sir, pagdawas ng isa.
ano? Okay. Negative 15 times negative 1/4. 15 over 4. Okay. Then copy. So we have 1, 2/3, 1/3, then over 3, and then 0, 0, 3. Last, we need to convert our remaining pivot equal to 1. So we have R3, 1/3. So we have 1/3 times this R3. We have 0, 0, 1, 0. Still 0. Then copy the remaining. So we have 0, 1, 1. Then take 1/4. 15 over 4. Then 2/3. Then take 1/3. And 10 over. Next. Remember the diagonal. Or let's say, remember the identity matrix. Yes, puro 1 kung sa may diagonal and the remaining values element is equal to 0. So, ganun din gawin natin dito. Dito sa part ito. Gawin natin siyang identity matrix. It's up to you. So, ang gawin. Oh. From this qualified matrix, ang gawin natin? Next. Anong gusto nyo gawin? Anong gusto nyo i-modify? Anong gusto nyo modify natin? Sige daw, sige. O sige. So we're going to modify row 2. And then ano gawin natin? Para maging 0 to. Hindi yung pwede multiply ito sa 0 ha, kasi ang magiging 0 dito eh. Kaya anong gagawin? Anong gagawin? Multiply? Ano yan? Ano ba? Ano? Ito lang sila. Ano? Ano gusto nyo gawin? Di ba? May factors.
Magiging serious.
Kaya hindi advisable na gawin buwan ang pailitin sa office. May ganun construction. Anong gusto nyo, ano ideally, anong papagsamahin mo? Row 2 and?
Ay, hindi. Row 3.
Ay, hindi ba row 3?
Row 3 po kasi sito na.
Baka tayo na row 3. Baka tayo na row 3.
Row 3 na ka.
Oh, row 3. So, we have row 2 and row 3. Saan na natin sa row 3? Multiply by? Multiply by? If we're going to add sa row 2 and row 3, so anong maging coefficient ng row 3?
1/4.
In order to make 0.
1/4.
Ano gagawin para maging 0?
1/4. 1/4.
Ano naman?
1/4.
Yes, 1?
1/4.
Kasi nagdaan mo ba?
Kayo makinig sa'yo ng
Okay, so we have
Pwede na ako nakikinig. Yari.
Starting from this one, so we have starting from this one, we have 1/4. Again, 1/4 plus adding 1/4 times RD, which is 1. Ano na rin? 1 to 0. Next, so we have 15 over 4 plus 1/4 times 0 is 15 equal to 0. So,
15 over 4.
Yung lang po, equal to 15 over. So, yeah. So, multiply our units we have 0, 1, 0, 15 over 4. You see? So, Nakita niyo ba? Nakita niyo na ba? Masagot? Nakita niyo na ba yung Z? Hindi niyo ba rin flag na? 0, 0, 0. Then, back in the remaining values here. So we have also 1, 2/3, negative 1/3, and 10/4. Anong next na gawin? R3 and R. And ang mamodify natin is R1. So, to do that, pagkasamahin natin ang R6.
R1 and R3. R1 and R3.
Kasi, sige, pwede naman. Sige, okay lang, R2 and R1. Kailan? We're going to modify R1 and we're combining R1 and R2. So what do we do that? So what is your goal dito ba? Anong goal dito? Anong goal dito sa R1? Ay, zero lang? Ano lang sa zero? 2/3. Okay, zero daw 2/3. So, we need to multiply it by negative 2/3. So, we have to okay? Perform the operation. So we have R1. Then with the tensors, we have 2/3 minus 2/3 times 1. Simply equal to 0. Next, 1/3 minus 2/3 times 0 is simply negative. No, it's not. It's negative 1. And then we have 10. 30 minus 2/3 times 50/4. It is equal to. So,
10/12.
ha?
Tama.
So our matrix here, or the modified matrix here, or our row 1 will be 0. So we have 1, 0, negative 1/3, 5/6. 0, 1, 0, over 4, 0, 0, 1. Next. Ayan.
Iya.
Tuloy siya lang na. Ano ka dito? Dito lang. Ay, R1 and R2. Wala tayo dito. Kailan? As operation. So make it 0. Okay? So we have, so we're going to multiply R1. Okay? So we're adding R1 to R3, right? And then R1 is R3. Multiply sa 1/3 in order to remove this one. So we have plus 1. So we have R1, that is negative 1/3, plus 1/3 times 1 or 0 times. Next, so we have 5/6 plus 1/3 times 0 equals to 5/6. So the answer here will be 1, 0, 0, 5/6, 0, 1, 0, 15/4, 0, 0, 5. Pati ba? So we have this row reduction form, right? RREF, row reduction form. So next, from this system, from this augmented matrix, we need to convert it into sa kanyang system of equations. So we're going to take the values to write the x, y, and z. So for our x is equal to 5/6. Our y, therefore, x is equal to 5/6. Y is equal to 15/4. And x is equal to 0. Galing. Question so far? Question? So that's how we do the Gaussian elimination and as well as the Gauss-Jordan elimination. And the elimination method is Malinaw? I think that's it. So, asa tingin ko ang gagawin is Gauss-Jordan.
Wala pag.
Again, so, Gauss-Jordan, nakagay na magiging 4.
Pagod na to. Ang init na.
Nabili ko na ba?
Meron pa kanina. 50.
Plus, it's up to you to solve this. Di ba kanina may nagsasabi, kung ano na yun. So we have this different solution, still we will, our answer should be equal, okay? Regardless of our solution. So, dapat na naman tayo.
Sabihin mo kay sir.
Question. Wala. Ano gusto niyo? Pwede niyo mag-explain naman ng video. Subscribe na. Question. Wala. Gusto niyo magalang isa pa? Kasi masyado ito mahaba ngayon.
Ba't ako hindi mo walang magawa na exam, sabi ni Fred?
Sabi, kasi ako sa sabi sa akin. Ako lang nagawa ng exam.
Sino pong ba? Sino ba? Sino ba?
Nakangiti si sir.
Mayroon.
Ano daw? Tuloy na yun.
Dok.
Tuloy na yun. Kaya. Ano next?
Ay.